We are going to discuss about movable jaw and jaw grip, screw rod. Those things we are going to discuss over in this video. So I am going to select as a first this one movable jaw grip. Okay, so in the jaw grip they are given as a front view and side view they are made it as a sectioned one, and also here they are providing some knurling. So knurling we are not going to do over here, so no need to bother about it. So the knurling depth, grooves and other things they will be given over here. Okay, then comes to here what is that front view. So we are going to start with the front view, and with the help of the section wherever the things it will becomes we can able to identify. So first we are going to make a rectangle of 100 mm length and 28 mm width. Okay, so select a solid part and go to the protrusion and select the front view. So going to select a line, so from here to 100 mm length, and height is 28. Height is 28. Enter, and again 100 joined over here. Okay, then comes out view return. So return is the how much mm depth. So the depth is 8 mm over here. So that I am going to give 8. After giving the 8 mm, then I am going to select the hole option. Here the hole option, what is the diameter of the hole? Diameter of the hole is the 6.3 and 12 mm is the countersink diameter. Diameter hole of the 6.3, countersink diameter is the 12 mm. The distance is 4 mm. The countersink diameter length is the 4 mm. Okay, so from bottom to 12.5 mm distance. So bottom to 12.5 mm distance. Select hole option. So select the front view and select a line. So from here to mid, the height is 12.5 mm distance, and from this side 30 mm. The distance between the hole is the 60. So again going to give 60. Over here. After giving the select a line. So go over here and going to give 60. Enter. After giving the 60, select the hole, change the hole parameter, go to over here, countersink, select the countersink. Hole diameter is the 6.3 and countersink diameter is the 12 mm. Angle, the countersink diameter is the 12 mm, 6.3, and the angle is 90 degree. Angle is 90 degree, and the depth, it has to be through to the next. Okay, so give okay, and from here as well as the other side. After that going to give return towards left and right side. So the jaw grip has to be created over here. So this I am going to save as a jaw grip. Okay, so there is no need to draw over here as a this one knurling over here, so you can leave it. So after drawn the jaw grip, then you can go to the fourth part. The fourth one is the screw M6. So this is the screw M6. So for to drawing the screw M6, so close this one and go to here, drawing, select solid part, go to the solid part and select revolved protrusion command for this screw. So again front view, so selecting from here to the mid, so mid to what is the height, the 16, total height is the 16 mm, 16, enter, and towards right side, so what is the total diameter, the top of the screw is the 12 mm. Okay, so going to draw 12 mm means 6 mm, 6, enter, then from there to what is the angle, the 90 degree, so this it has to become up to 3 mm. Okay, so otherwise going to make a one more line over here, so that is having the diameter of this one is M6, so that 3 mm. So here what is the height, that is the 16 minus 3, 13 mm. So going to give 13. So this, if you see over in the top, the angle it will be showing as a 45 degree. So once again I will show you here, after drawing the 13 mm line, see over here the angle it will be shows as a 45 degree. So whatever things you have drawn is correct only. So then you can go and select the axis of revolution as the midline, then going to give return. So give as angle as the one more symbol is called as 360 degree icon over here. Okay, then after drawn this one, in the top the small the rectangular groove has to be draw. So that is having the 1.6 mm of distance and 1.9 mm depth, it has to be cut over there. So select the cutout option. I'm going to select the top of the component. So from here to 1.6 mm means from this side 0.8 mm distance, enter. So throughout again 1.6, enter. So from here I am going to stop and select extend to next, the trim the thing. So after trimming this, so this depth I am going to give 1.9 mm. Okay, so 1.9 mm depth I am going to give, left and right click. So after drawn this, I am going to select the option is called it as threaded option, because the given in the bottom diagram M6. Okay, give OK. So here I want to make thread starting from here. So throughout the component, left and right click. So this particular screw has to be created over here. So save as a screw M6. Screw M6. So after saving the component, you can close. Then you are going to start the next one. The next one, which is the next component, screw M6, and fifth one is the screw rod. The screw rod, which is the screw rod, here they provided the screw rod, fifth one. So the screw rod having the they given as a front view and the top view. On the top view they make it as a sectional view. Okay, why? Because of here exactly some 4 holes has to be metered over here, so that they are giving here as a section view. So this entire thing, even separate, first we can create this hole, this solid part, and after then this part we can add, then this part, finally this part, like we can create with the use of protrusion command, or otherwise even we can do it this one with the single profile itself with the help of this one revolved protrusion command. So go over here, select a solid part and go to the revolve protrusion, select a front view. From here to going to draw the particular height. What is the height? So the total height is the 250 plus 40, so 290 mm. So 290 mm height. I am going to draw a line 290. Enter. I am going to give us a fit. Select the diameter of this one is a 32 mm. So 32 means only I am going to give 60 mm from the one side. So 16. So 16. After giving the 16 mm, this length is the 40 mm length. So 40. Enter. And comes to find the next dimension. So what is the next dimension? So from here to I want to move towards left side, so that what is this 20. So 32 minus 20, we are getting as a 12 mm. 12 mm means this side 6, other side has to be taking place as a 6 mm. So from this side I am going to give as a 6 mm. Then what is the distance over this one? So that is the from here to 40 mm. What is the meaning in this? 40 mm is the plain cylindrical surface. Then this 170 mm it has to become as a threaded portion. So 40 plus 2 170, it is come as a 210. Okay, so the depth I am going to give 210 mm. Now the next dimension. The next dimension. So this is the dimension is the 20. So the next dimension is a 12. 20 minus 12, 8. So 8 mm means from here to 4 mm towards this side. Okay, so 4 mm. Enter. Now how much mm it has to be moved? 250 minus 210, 40 mm. Okay, so 40 and minus 90 degree. Enter. Going to close. So this will be I am going to join over here. That's it. So give fit and select the even the fillet option. So in the top radius 3 you can do give over here, or otherwise after completing this we will do it as a with help of round option. Okay, so I am going to do it from here itself. Select a fillet option. So from here this and this radius as a 3 mm. So those things has to be created. And next select the axis of revolution as this. Selected the up axis of revolution and give us a return. So that is the 360 degree. So then going to give us a fit. So those portion has to be created over here. So after created this, we want to create the this particular hole as well as the threaded one. Here this bottom it will becomes as a M10. Here it will be the square thread. Okay, so first we will create the square thread. So from here select give OK. So throughout this from starting from here to here, I think some mistake is it has to be there. So because of so up to 18 mm 12 mm diameter as well as 10 mm 22 mm diameter. So that is a thing is left out. So I am going to just change the profile with a edit profile. So this line I am going to make this select a line from here to 18 mm diameter, sorry 18 mm length. Then so this is the distance is the 12 mm diameter. The next one will be the 10. 12 minus 10 2. So that so this side has a 1 mm and I am going to make a straight line. So this as I am going to trim it. Okay. After trim it, going to give return. So those the change has to be takes place over here. Now going to change the thread, give OK. So from starting from here, left and right click, then again same thing. So starting from here towards the finite value, I am going to give finite value as a 170 mm. Even though if we're giving 170 mm, it will be going to take all other parts, all the parts. So this you can save as a screw rod. So after creating the first profile, try to save it. Okay, so sometimes system gets hangs, means we could not able to do we could not we could not able to do, so we can do it, but the thing is again we can do it from the starting. So that's what while created the one profile, you can save it in the next profile, like that you can keep on save the drawings. Then comes into the next one, cutout. Select the cutout option. Now I am going to select the middle one, give fit. So here what is the next thing I am going to do, from bottom to 20 mm height, and the diameter of this one will be the, what is that, 10 mm they given over here, both 4 holes it is a 10 mm. So select line, so from bottom to 20 mm distance, enter, select circle, so circle from here to 10 mm diameter, 10, and going to delete, trim, and going to give return. So now we can use here as a symmetry extends, so the both the sides all has to be created over here. So now on the to creating the other side, the holes, previously we have selected as a this plane. Now I am going to select the other plane as the other, that plane has to be passed over in the mid of the component. Those type of planes only we have to select a cutout. So cutout from here, give as a fit, and go to here, select the, this one is called circle. So from height is a 20 mm height, so delete, select 20 mm height, angle is 90, and select circle option. So from here to 20 mm distance. So now the 20 mm distance hole has to be, circle has to be created. Then delete, and comes to over here, return. So here also can give symmetry extent, so the hole has to be created over here. So somewhere the thing is, so what is the hole diameter, radius 5, so return. So the hole has to be created over here. So after created this, we can go on save the component. Okay, so with that the screw rod has to be over. Then we are going to discuss about what is the next thing. So 5, and what is the remaining part, 6, 7, 8, 9. So those part we will see in the next video.